Namaste friends. Bridge course, standard 10th, subject English, day 4, 5th July 2021. Competency or learning outcome statement number 3. Reflect on what is heard or presented. Activity number 1. Comprehensive listening. Friends, listen to the story carefully and complete the reflection activity. The golden touch. There once was a king named Midas who did a good deed for a satyr, and he was then granted a wish by Dionysus, the god of wine. For his wish, Midas asked that whatever he touched would turn to gold. Despite Dionysus' efforts to prevent it, Midas pleaded that this was a fantastic wish, and so it was bestowed. Excited about his newly earned powers, Midas started touching all kinds of things, turning each item into pure gold. But soon, Midas became hungry. As he picked up a piece of food, he found he couldn't eat it. It had turned to gold in his hand. Hungry, Midas groaned, "I'll starve." Perhaps this was not such an excellent wish after all. Seeing his dismay, Midas' beloved daughter threw her arms around him to comfort him, and she too turned to gold. The golden touch is no blessing, Midas cried. Now you have listened to the story. Now reflection activity. Write in your notebook. Number 1. What do you think is the moral of the story? Number 2. Do you read moral stories? Why? And question number 3. Name the moral stories you have read ever before. So these are the reflection activities to be written in your notebook. Now second step, comprehensive reading. Not listening, please make the correction. Reading. Read the given story with proper understanding. Present it to your family members with proper intonation. Retell it in your mother tongue, in your own style. म्हणजे काय करायचं आहे, ही गोष्ट आधी तुम्हाला इंग्रजीत योग्य आरोह अवरोह रायझिंग अँड फॉलिंग टोन अँड इंटोनेशन पॅटर्नमध्ये वाचन करायचं आहे. रीड इट प्रॉपरली अँड देन अगेन रिटेल म्हणजे पुनर्कथन करायचं आहे तुमच्या मातृभाषेत मराठीत. अँड देन आफ्टर रीडिंग धिस स्टोरी you have to complete the reflection activity in your notebook. Think and write in your notebook about your storytelling experience. तुम्ही घरी तुमच्या कुटुंबियांना ही कथा जेव्हा सांगाल तेव्हा तुमचा अनुभव या ठिकाणी लिहायचा आहे. तो लिहिताना काय अपेक्षित आहे, व्हॉट इज एक्सपेक्टेड while writing your experience here, because this is reflection. Just I guide you. This is not specific that what I am telling and you should write the same. Not at all. तुम्ही तुमचा अनुभव लिहायचा आहे. मी फक्त उदाहरण सांगतो. जसं की व्हॉट हॅपन्ड, आय हॅड लॅक ऑफ कॉन्फिडन्स. व्हॉट कॅन आय डू नेक्स्ट टाईम, आय विल प्रिपेअर वेल अँड प्रेझेंट विथ कॉन्फिडन्स. एखादा विद्यार्थी असं म्हणू शकतो, आय वॉज टेकिंग लॉंगर पॉजेस. व्हॉट हॅपन्ड, आय वॉज टेकिंग लॉंगर पॉजेस व्हाईल टेलिंग द स्टोरी. व्हॉट कॅन आय डू नेक्स्ट टाईम, आय विल एनरिच माय व्होकॅबलरी अँड अवॉइड लॉंगर पॉजेस. So in this way you can write your own experience because it is reflection. तुमचं आत्मचिंतन आहे. तुम्ही केलेल्या कृतीवरती तुम्हाला का तुमची स्ट्रेंथ आणि विकनेसेस काय दिसून आले त्याच्यामध्ये. सो यू शुड राईट अकॉर्डिंगली. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन पर्सन टू पर्सन. इट मे व्हेरी डिफर फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन. सो यू कॅनॉट कॉपी द सेम आन्सर इन ऑल बाय ऑल. देन नेक्स्ट, practice. Read the story from My English Course Book Standard 9, page number 83, and retell the story in mother tongue, your mother tongue. Later, think over how you narrated it. if you remember, this is story of Socrates on page number 83. You have to read the story from My English Course Book 9. You need to refer this book, page number 83. Again I am telling, and that story you have to read and retell to your family members in your mother tongue, because you are not in school, you are at home, and that's why you need to tell it to your family members, and you have to write your experiences, how you narrated it. So this is your practice. Then extension activity. Imagine you meet Manav. Ask him to tell his experiences about collecting money. Now who is Manav? Here you have been given a story. This is for your reading skill. Honesty. The title of the story is Honesty. So Manav is the character in this story. So you have to imagine you are meeting Manav and accordingly follow the instruction in this extension activity and complete it. Then next, collect and write such type of short stories in your notebook. You have to collect some short stories and make a collection, write in your notebook. For reference, QR codes have been given on Diksha app. You can refer them. Then the reference I have already told you, page number 83 in My English Course Book Standard 9, and again there are some extended activities on page number 23, 70 and 80 of the same My English Course Book Standard 9. So this was activity number 1. Now activity number 2, in connection with the same competency and learning outcome, statement number 4, reflect on what is heard or presented. Now this is bridging between 9th and 10th standard. Instruction for you friends: listen to the story carefully, understand the role changing of characters in the story, close your eyes for 3 minutes and think over the story, reflect over the listen to the story with the help of the given points. Then there are learning activities: listen, think and reflect. You are genius. There is a story about how Albert Einstein was traveling to universities giving lectures on his famous theory of relativity. One day, while on his way to a university, the driver said, "Dr. Einstein, I have heard that lecture more than 30 times. I have learned it by heart and bet I could give it myself." "Well, I'll give you the chance," said Einstein. "They don't know me at the next school, so when we get there, I'll put on your cap and you introduce yourself as me and give the lecture," Einstein continued. At the hall, the driver gave Einstein's lecture so wonderfully that he didn't make any mistake. When he finished, he started to leave, but one of the professors stopped him and asked him a question which was very difficult. The aim of the question was not gaining knowledge but embarrassing Einstein. The driver thought, "First, the answer to that problem is so simple," he said. "I'm surprised you have to ask me. In fact, to show you just how simple it is, I'm going to ask my driver to come up here and answer your question." Then Einstein stood up and gave an incredible answer to the question of that professor. While traveling back home, Dr. Einstein said to his driver, "You are genius." So this is really wonderful story. Write your story listening experience with the help of the following points. Type of story is dash dash. So here you have been given 3 alternatives. You have to select one: realistic, imaginary, fable. So select one and complete the statement. Then number 2, the qualities of Einstein I like dash dash. So you have to guess, prediction. This is prediction and comprehension also. From the story you have to write the qualities of Einstein, the great scientist. Then number 3, again here is number mistake, it should be 3. The qualities of the driver in the story I like dash dash. If I were in place of Einstein, what I would do, and you have to complete and write the moral of the story. The solved activity, already the answers have been provided here. Moral of the story: no matter how genius you pretend to be, there is always someone who is more genius than you despite his position. Then qualities of Einstein I like: humble, calm, down to earth, respectful, or showing respect for others, etc. Then practice: read the stories from My English Course Book Standard 9, page number 6 to 9, and think and answer the questions given below. Do you think the school in the book will exist in future? And next question: do you agree with the concept of the story? So these 2 questions based on page number 6 to 9, the story in your My English Course Book 9, page number 6 to 9. Based on that content, that the questions have been asked. Then extension activities: with the help of internet, find an audio story book, listen to a story from it, think over it, and write a review of the story. So a review is to be written in your notebook based on the story you have listened. So review based on your listening skill, the story related to your listening skill. Then evaluation based on the active participation or responses. This will be done when the regular school will be started, because you will be asked to come in the front of the class and you present at any one story that you have read and practiced, and then on the basis of that you will be evaluated. So marks will be given to you for your presentation. So this is evaluation part done by the teacher, but it is not possible right now. It will be done later on when the school will be started in normal situation and we will be there in the classroom face to face. Then my takeaway, or today I learned. So here what you have learned in today's activities, you have to write here my takeaway tip in your own way. Thank you.